Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change video resolution from different modes on iPhone 12 series. This is iPhone 12 Pro. So first of all, in the menu we go to settings, and then scroll down to camera. Tap camera and then tap record video. So it's on full HD by default, full HD at 30 fps. As you can see, when we open the camera video, you can see it's full HD at 30 frames per second. So when we try to change to HD, we open the camera again, it will be HD 720p 30 fps. Then we want to change to different mode, full HD at 60 fps. We go back to video camera and we see it's full HD at 60 fps. Then we go to different mode, to 4K at 24 frames per second. We open the camera and it's on 4K at 24 frames per second. Then we go back, we change to 4K again at 30 fps. Then the highest mode on iPhone, high efficiency, is 4K at 60 fps. You can check now, you can record on 4K at 60 fps. This is how to change video resolution on iPhone 12 Pro. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.